Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have two folding treadmills that are perfect for those who want to stay fit at home. On the left, we have the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill, and on the right, we have the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill.
Let's dive right in and see which one will be your running companion. Alright, let's talk about the price first. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill comes in at $299, while the Home Fitness Code Treadmill is a bit more budget-friendly at $169.
So if you're looking to save some bucks, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad might be the one for you. Now let's move on to the motor and noise level. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill boasts a quiet brushless motor with a maximum power of 2.5 HP. It operates smoothly and emits only 40 to 65 decibels of noise.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code Treadmill also has a 2.5 HP motor, but is specifically designed to be ultra-quiet.
So if you want to get your workout done without disturbing your downstairs or next-door neighbors, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad is a winner in this category. Time to talk about the features. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill comes with a digital LED console that displays your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and even your heart rate. It also offers 12 preset programs for different exercise intensities, or you can customize your own workout routine. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad has a remote control and an LED display to adjust the speed and monitor your running stats.
Both treadmills have their own unique set of features, so it really depends on what you prioritize in your workout experience.
Let's talk about the running area now. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill offers a spacious 15.4 x 40.2 inch running belt, providing ample leg and elbow space.
This means a more comfortable workout experience for you, your family members, and even your furry friends. On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code Treadmill has a slightly smaller running area at 38.5, 15.2 inches.
So if you need that extra space for your long strides, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill might be the better choice for you.
Last but not least, let's talk about warranty and support. The Cursor Fitness Treadmill comes with an impressive 5-year warranty, covering the frame structure for 5 years and parts for 1 year.
Plus, they offer their dedicated Cursor Care service team, providing 24/7 support.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code Treadmill offers a 24-month warranty and 24/7 customer service. So both treadmills have you covered in terms of warranty and support.
Based on online reviews, the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill is highly recommended for its ease of use, compact design, and suitable speeds for walking or jogging. It is also praised for its price.
On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill is loved for its lightweight and convenient design, quiet operation, and great value.
Both treadmills have satisfied customers, so it ultimately comes down to personal preferences. And there you have it, folks. We've compared the Cursor Fitness Home Folding Treadmill and the Home Fitness Code Walking Pad Treadmill. Each treadmill has its own strengths, whether it's the price, motor and noise level, features, running area, or warranty and support. It all comes down to your personal preferences and needs.
Remember to consider what's most important to you when making your decision.
That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful comparisons. And as always, stay smart and happy shopping.